Within Business Central, we have here a sales order to Adatum Corporation. On this, we have shipped some lines. On this this sales order, we have shipped some lines. So if we scroll over, we can see here that the quantity shipped and the quantity invoiced is 5 units of the first line, and there's outstanding quantities left on the second and third lines. So in the situation where there has been an invoice and we want to see the related invoice to this sales order, we use the Navigate menu. The Navigate menu will now show us how to relate and search for the related customer. So there's the related customer record, and I can press back or escape. I can navigate to the related invoice, and here by clicking on the invoice we can see the posted sales invoice, which has already been sent to the customer for the quantity as outlined, or we can navigate to the related shipment, which should show the tracking of that shipment to that customer. The Navigate menu, depending on your project, can be customized. With many projects, we encourage the customers to look at putting related fields in here that are important to the workflow of you and your team. So talk to us today about how we can make the Navigate function work better for you. Thank you.